Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom thumbnail for a YouTube video. So first you can just open the YouTube studio here and then open the videos that you want to upload. And in here, if you scroll down under the description, there will be this thumbnail option. So you can set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers' attention. There are three options here: upload file, auto generate it, and also test and compare. If you want to add the custom one, you can just click on the upload file and then just add thumbnail that you created before. So for example, I created the thumbnail in Canva. You can just click on it. So now it will uploading the custom thumbnail, and this is how the video will look like later when I upload it. So that's how you can add a custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.